Good morning, boys and girls, and happy Wednesday. Today, we're going to learn about R controlled vowels. Another way we can say R controlled vowels is the Bossy R. Boys and girls, when there is a vowel next to the R, we say the R is bossy because it controls the vowel, and the vowel can't say its name and it can't say its sound. It kind of sounds like it's angry, and it sounds like like here, girl, girl, earl, curl, person. So we say that the bossy R, we call the bossy R bossy because it says I boss the vowels and control the sound, but I am polite because I let the vowels go first. So that's what we're going to learn about today. We're going to learn about the bossy R. So watch me trace and say the sound. E, R, fern, Boys and girls, trace it and say it with me. Now, in order to make the sound, you close your mouth, you put your teeth together, and you say Let's do this together. E, R, fern, I, R, bird, you are church, So you see, boys and girls, ER, IR, and UR make the same sound. They make the sound. Can you say it with me, boys and girls? So now I'm going to go over the steps of how to code and read words with the Bossy R. Step 1, we always find the vowel. Step 2 is look next to the vowel. Step 3, underline. We put a line under the vowel and the R. After that, we write VR under the vowel and the R under it. And then we tap and read the word. Now, you're going to watch how I code and read the words. So we said step 1 is find the vowel. I is my vowel. I look next to it and I see an R. I underline my bossy R or my R controlled vowels. And then I write a V, R. Now I tap and read the word. Stir. Watch me code and read number 2. I find my vowel. I look next to my vowel. I see my R. I underline my bossy R. See, I underline the vowel. I underline the letter R. And then right under it, we write VR. Now I tap and read the word. Churn. Now I'm going to code and read number 3. I find my vowel. Here's E. I see my bossy R right next to it. I underline my R control vowel. That means I put a line under my vowel and the letter R. And then I write VR. After this, I tap and read the word. Heard. Heard. Now, boys and girls, let's go over what we learned today. What did we learn about? We learned about the bossy R. Boys and girls, ER, IR, and UR make the same sound. They say the sound. Can you boys and girls say it with me? Say So now I want you to write down the words you see on the screen. Remember, find your vowel and look next to it. If you see an R next to it, I want you to underline the vowel and the letter R. Write VR. tap and read the word. After that, take a picture and upload it onto Class Dojo. Bye. Hope you have a great day.